Push it to the limit.
Private property. It's a small oasis where you can still find the Belted Flycatcher. The city is developing in that direction, so it's one of the fewer spots where you can still find it, I guess. We're heading towards the Chiapas Central Depression, which is a lower altitude. You have much more like warm air, warmer climate. Slightly more like deciduous dry forest style, so different mix of species, and yeah, with any luck we'll see a belted flycatcher, and we're hoping to get it on video today, which we're not sure if it's been recorded before here in Mexico on video, so we're gonna give it a go today. So we're just coming over into a view of the Chiapas Central Depression now, so you can see that it's like way more foggy. All the moisture is being pushed up towards the mountains. Can't really complain about the view there. Okay, our mission has begun. I can hear a few things around us. Interesting orange-billed nightingale thrush. We heard a Cabanis wren, and I can just see something in the distance over there as well. The first find of the day is a rusty sparrow, 2 rusty sparrows. We just heard the call of the belted flycatcher. It's hidden right there. It's just a matter of a bit of bushwalking to get in there without disturbing too much, I guess. What happened, Valente?
Well, it's quite tough to focus between the tangles. So it's gonna be a patience game, and we'll have to come back many more times.
We'll be back.
I'll be back.
We did see it, so I'm counting that as a lifeline, but yeah, I didn't get a chance to get a camera on it. But yeah, we're gonna come back here hopefully in the next couple of weeks and try again to get it on video.